Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFella channel. Let's take a look again the DUSK targets updates with my customer set, where this token can stop pumping. First of all, guys, I never understand the human behavior because you post the video about a DUSK, for example, or any other token, and while the token not pumping, nobody watching, nobody watch the videos. They're just a few views, on that video, and nobody care about the DUSK when I posted in 2023. Nobody cared about a DUSK when I posted 3 days ago. I posted the video about this token around here, right? And only now people start looking. Oh, is it okay to buy the DUSK? It's kind of strange, guys, because this token already performed like almost 800%. From the bottom of Donald Trump dump, it's already performed over than 1,000. So everything should be in time. Of course, even now, it's maybe okay for someone to buy the DUSK, but because the main target, what I shared with you in 2023 is around here, 72 cents, 77. So this can be the end of cycle for this token. But guys, everything should be in time, because from now, for example, to reach the main target, what I shared basically 3 years ago, it's just 159%. And it's not the good risk ratio, because the potential correction can be to 12 cents, for example, 57% down. So sometimes, guys, better skip the token if you're not sure, if you're not ready to see the losses. Second moment, I highly recommend you, of course, it's not some call to action, but I highly recommend you just watch the unpopular tokens, watch the unpopular videos, because if the token pump it, it's basically too late. So I post millions just videos every single day. You can just watch the videos with the smaller views and find the zone of interest. So zone of interest for DUSK was here, 4 cents and the 12. So everything what it's about is just time to distribute the tokens. Today we saw the take profit line, so we trigger it. So here, Friday 16 in January, I create alerts in that video, and today is a trigger it. So I highly recommend you guys add the same alerts here. All that latest alerts which trigger it, it's added in the recent videos. All right, so what's next for the DUSK? First of all, I don't think so. It can be the good risk ratio if this is a main target. If it's okay for you, yes, we can climb it up to the top and you can get it like 160% gains. Is it possible? So this token can reach the $1, guys. Everything possible in crypto. It just depends of your amount of money. Would you ready to and afford to lose and ready to invest? So, and the time. So we can't know. For example, the XRP after the 8 years come back after the hard bear markets, come back and hit the new all-time high. So just a matter of time. All right. What we can see now? If we zoom out on the monthly time frame, this is how the picture looks like. So for me, this is a target. 1, 2. Now it's a 3, and yes, it's also can be rejection, because after this level, like 0 level, we not sweep this high, for example, we can drop it down into another downtrend. Of course, I don't think so, and I hope we'll climb it up to the top, to the high levels like 72, but guys, we can't know. But zone of accumulation was here. So for me now, it's not a zone of accumulation, and I would like to show you with the updates with indicators, what's the indicator signaling now. So we not sweep this high. So basically, to talk about a break of structure, and even if we're gonna break the structure, here, this is a boss on the weekly time frame, for example, this one. And even if we will sweep this high, based on some rules, the people use the confirmation of the boss with the body candle close above the level or with the week. So millions opinion, right? That's why if we break this high, for example, because this is an impulse sideways, and now we break the structure. If we're gonna break the structure, anyway, it's gonna be the pullback. That's why the pullback can be pretty hard, because, for example, we sweep it 35, and the pullback can be even to the full fill of this gap, or even to 12. And 12 is 66% down, right? 6% down, but to recover back the to your break even, the token should pump 109. That's why, guys, be careful with the entries if you're not ready to see the losses. So this is a break of structure if we want to talk about upside trend. All right, this is a gap on the weekly time frame. It's not unnecessary, so we should come back and close all these gaps immediately. No, we can come back and close it later. So, for example, here was a pump, this one in November, and only in December after the months we come back and close this gap, for example. Or here, we leave the gap in February 21 and come back and close that gap only in May 21. So after the full 4 months. So it's not unnecessary. So we will come back now immediately and close it and go higher. No. So this is a break of structure. And if we talk about a continuation, we can see something like this uptrend move. And we start build a uptrend structure to the main targets. But for me now, it's kind of oversaturated token. I'll recommend you, by the way, use the brand new indicator, the dashboard. So all in one place, you can adjust the time frames and take a look. The exit zone, 4 time frame, 1 day time frame, a market mood totally free, a direction overbought on 1 hour time frame, overbought zone top. So a lot of signals signal now, a lot of indicators signal now it's top. Local top, guys, local. So here, this was accumulation. Nobody care about the token. Nobody care. The same story now, for example, with the Koti. Koti is a that token. The Dash was a that token. The algorithm is that token. Nobody care about this token. Nobody talk about that. But after that, when the tokens start pumping, everybody start browsing. Wow, where to buy? Guys, just spend time and watch the unpopular videos. Unpopular tokens. This is a distribution. Of course, we can go higher and form the divergency. Yes, it can be weekly time frame. Daily, we already form a divergency. So here, it was a top, November. Now we hit the new high and the top. And it can be another impulse, for example, to round number like everybody waiting the 50 cents. It can be the continuation to 49. And after that, the correction. So this is the divergence on a daily. Also, here was nobody care about that DUSK. Fun, but now everybody start looking at the DUSK. Direction. Here was a time for accumulation. Now nothing. You know, I post a lot of content on Binance Square, and I see the feed. Maybe on X there is no talk about just rarely you can find a post about DUSK. But on a Binance Square, nobody talk about it, and now everybody share the post with the ticker DUSK. You know, it's kind of strange. You need to look something before. Direction, no signal to buy or sell. Not yet. Market mood, of course, it's totally free. So here was a capitulation December. Now it's totally free on a daily. Even on the weekly time frame, it's totally free. So here it was a capitulation gray zone. This is a free. Monthly, I guess, yes, we still got a room for continuation because here, highly recommend you just add alerts and track the tokens with the same conditions. So here, gray color, February 2025, it was a capitulation. So you could accumulate from 12 to 3 cents here. All this period you could accumulate and now be in profit. On a monthly, it's still not a madness like it was in January 2022, for example. So this is a positive, some hopium on the market, but some people still in disbelief. And when the talking, for example, continue pump it up, the crowd will hop in when it's going to be too late. Money power, no money outflow. Let's add alerts. Money outflow on the monthly. So for us, it's going to be the signal to sell. Here, it was a signal to sell. Here was a 2 months in a row sell. March, April, and March 24. So obvious. Weekly time frame, here was a 2 weeks in a row money inflow with a MACD divergency pump. Now nothing. You can add alerts for the money outflow on a weekly also and track it. Trade on. No signals to sell yet. No. Here was a sell. Here's a buyback. The last signal buyback was December 22. Daily. Here's a sell buybacks, sell, drop, and on a 12 time frame, buy, take profit, sell, sell, sell. Now nothing. No signals to sell yet. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. We trade way over, of course, on 12 time frame over the exit line. On a daily time frame, exit line now it's 8 cents 82. I don't think so. We're gonna form the correction to 8 cents 82. A weekly time frame, we saw oversaturated. Also, we traded under fundamental value, what I share with you, and now we traded way over exit line. For me personally, it's not a time to hop in. A monthly time frame, unfortunately, there is no data. That's why, guys, like conclusion, the targets, the main one is here. I'm with the break of structure, and maybe at this point, and 36, this one, and the 49, for me, it's going to be the targets for open local short position with the stop losses. Yes. So, guys, all targets I showed you. If you'd like to trade with my customer cassette and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Highly recommend you guys. Once again, just go to free Telegram channel, scroll the post, and find the unpopular tokens, unpopular videos, because any token can start pumping just immediately, just randomly from the zone of interest. And many tokens now in zone of interest. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.